as an atheist.
Okay.
My father was like Protestant. My mother was Catholic.
Okay.
And I did not believe until I think around when I was 32-ish.
Okay. Okay.
And someone gave me the German translation of the Quran.
Okay.
And I was feeling a bit conflicted in my life, and I just had the feeling I should maybe pick up the Quran, and I started reading. And I started reading, and I had, for the first time in my life, I had a religious epiphany, and I realized that I had been stupid because it, like, until that point I was like, it doesn't make sense. But then I read it and I understood what God is, like who God is, and then when it clicked, I realized it's stupid to not see that, because how could there be no God? Like the world is there, we see it, like we are in it. So that's how I how I realized, oh wow, that I called a Muslim friend. I asked him like, I mean, I'm a Muslim now if I believe in Allah, because I didn't even read the rest of the Quran, and I haven't read it yet because I got scared. And he said, "Well, do you believe in Allah?" And I said, "Yes, of course. Like, I'd be stupid not to." And he said, "Well, I guess you're a Muslim now." Yeah. And